It's not what you eat, though, but what you absorb. Check out this study on long-term raw foodists. This study was done in Europe, so the average Western diet here wasn't terrible— 4 servings of fruits and vegetables a day, versus a better diet— 7 servings a day of fruits and veggies, both raw and cooked, versus a raw food diet, in which they ate, on average, a whopping 17 servings of fruits and veggies a day, leading them to have about 3 times the beta-carotene intake. But that's intake. How much of it actually got into their bloodstream? Blood beta-carotene is considered a good surrogate marker for a healthy diet. Tell me what your blood beta-carotene level is, and I'll tell you what your health risk is. So who had the most beta-carotene in their bodies? Those eating 4 servings a day, 7, or 14? It was the middle group.